The good, the bad, and the magic. Are Disney After Hour tickets really worth it? We're here at my favorite park, Magic Kingdom. It's my birthday. There's only one way to find out. Come with me and we will see. The good news is you can come in at 7 p.m. and get a Dole Whip and watch the first set of fireworks. The event starts at 10 p.m., but it's nice they let you in early. Now, because it doesn't start till 10 p.m., you don't get your free popcorn, ice cream, and frozen fruit bars or sodas until 10, but we happily purchased a Dole Whip and cheeseburger egg rolls to tide us over. Around 8 p.m., we saw that wait times were lowering for Peter Pan and Mine Train, so we decided to first eat at Columbia Harbor House, which was closed. So we sauntered over to Pecos Bill. It was my first time eating there, and I loved it. The bad is that restaurants and quick services have normal business hours. Harbor House closes at 8 and Pecos Bill closes at 9, so get there in time if you want to eat before the rides. Our first stop is the Enchanted Tiki Room. It was so peaceful to finish our strawberry limeade slushes from Pecos Bill. Did you know you can take drinks into shows? I even took adult beverages into Indiana Jones, Lion Kings, and Feathered Friends at the other parks. Okay, it's 10 p.m. The event has officially started. It's saying 5 minutes on Pirates of the Caribbean. So we're walking through, and literally, there is nobody around. There's nobody in front of us, there's nobody behind us. I really enjoyed whizzing through. The employees were still doing their jobs at checkpoints, but it was really nice just going as fast as we did. Okay, there are some people now, but they're just getting directed into the boats. Look at that. We didn't even stop. We're walking right into row 4.
I'll give you 20 for the wrong.
Strike your feathers, dearie. Show 'em your flock.
Hey, send them hens to Davy Jones. It's the rum they want.
When Haunted Mansion is at lucky number 13, that means no wait. Let's go.
Metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation.
Second star to the right and straight on till morning. We're going to Peter Pan, which only has a 15-minute wait. This is my all-time favorite ride queue because of how interactive it is. So much fun. On to It's a Small World, where it says 5 minutes, but you guessed it, we just walked right on. We walked right onto the Little Mermaid with our human legs, and again, there was no wait. I'm obviously in my princess era, Disney bounding as Rapunzel, so next stop was definitely to the Princess Hall to see Tiana and special guest praying that it is Rapunzel. Here are the photos, and I think it was a good surprise. I'm like Will Ferrell, but instead of more cowbell, I need more princess. So here we are at Mine Train, Snow White's ride. I also really like this queue because of how interactive and immersive it is.
How many minutes did they say? 45. It is only 11. I love it. It's so worth it.
Private teacup ride for your group at Disney After Hours? Sign me up. Except I get nauseous, so I skipped this one, but it was pretty amazing to see this one group have the whole ride to themselves. Okay, this is why we're here. Space Mountain, 10 minutes? Oh my gosh, let's go. Let's just go. Come with me. Let's all get on. What you've all been waiting for. Did I get on a Tron without a wait? The answer is no. There was a 45-minute wait posted and we waited 40 minutes to get on. I was actually expecting a lot less because of what employees and other people have said, but maybe it had something to do with it being the first day of spring break. I don't know. Anyways, it was still worth it. Reduced wait times. Absolutely worth it. Yes, I would go back in a heartbeat. Didn't see a lot of small kids there, but preteen and up were prevalent. So I want to go to another After Hours. Which one is your favorite? Let me know. Like and subscribe and follow for more.